Customs today. I'm down here with a family. This is Glenn Huffman. He brought us this awesome Mustang, guys. Y'all need to check it out. We're about to review for them. And it's going all original. So we got a few things we're going to change, but for the most part, this car is going to be all original. So guys, this family here from Hickory, and he said we're going to make this car shine for them. We're going to keep it jade green with a white interior. It is a 390 car, straight drive, 4-speed. So we're going to hook it up. They're going to do the motor and transmission as a family project. They're going to bring it to us, and we're going to finish the car, blast it. And so follow along with these videos as we do this car. This family's psyched to get it done. We're psyched to build their car, and we're going to take you on this road. Thank you again, A3 Customs.